Hello, I'm John, and this is Just the Gearhead. So, since the last update video, I really haven't been able to get out here and do much. So, I'm pretty much where I was when I left that off. I did, though, go and buy a stack of 50 cut-off discs. So, hopefully this is enough to finish this project. So, I think today we will work on the two back patches in the bed here, and maybe see if we can't get inside the bed mostly done, and at least get the patches in, start welding them. Might not get them finished welded, but at least get them in place, and then we'll see how far we get, I guess. Alright, we'll get started. Sorry to interrupt this video, but I just needed to give a shout out to Andy over at Andy's Doghouse. He's a fellow YouTuber. I'll put a link in the description to his channel. If you guys don't know his channel, maybe go check it out. He's got a pretty cool 54 Fargo that he's rebuilding. I think it's almost done. So yeah, go check out his channel. Maybe give him a like or a subscribe if you feel like it. But yeah, he sent over a sticker for his channel. Has a note on the back. So I just wanted to say thank you to Andy for the sticker, the kind words. And I don't really have like a sticker wall or anything. Maybe we'll paint one of the walls and start a sticker wall. Maybe if I get some more of these, I'll do that. But yeah, thanks again, Andy. I have sent your stickers. They are in the mail. Actually, by the time this video comes out, maybe you've already gotten them. I don't know. But yeah, thanks again. And back to the video. Alright, so that one's tacked in, that one's tacked in. I'm going to make a filler strip for in there, and cut a piece for there, and a piece for there. So I'll probably go cut those now. camera is running low on battery, so I kind of skipped ahead here. This is patched and pretty much fully welded. That little patch is fully welded. That is tacked in, that's tacked in, and this one here is tacked in. So I'm running low on welding wire. So what I'm going to try to do is run right along that corner there, and maybe a little bit up that corner, and that corner, and along this corner right here, so that I can run then the seam sealer in those corners as well. So it might call me back after I do that. Yeah, okay. So I had just enough welding wire to weld along there, and to weld along here. Oop, there we go. So then I also decided to run new seam seal around to there. That spot already has it from before. And then back around all these over to here. Figured it'd be just good preventative. I had the stuff out, so I might as well do it. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of primer on those two little patches there, and maybe call it a day after that. We'll see. Alright, so there's the two patches by the wheel well there, pretty much done. A couple coats of red oxide primer on them, just a little bit of bodywork, and then I'll probably be doing the bed liner. The two corner patches here and the one on the other side. I'm going to obviously wait until I finish welding those up before I put the red oxide primer on those. Alright, so I guess that'll be it for this episode of Just the Gearhead. Got most of the repairs in the bed done, so that's good. Like I said, we'll try to get the rest of the welding done maybe off camera, and maybe next time we can start on the front half of the quarter panels. We will see, we will see. But thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. If you guys want merchandise, please check out the link to my Redbubble page in the description. And we'll see you next time.